Boom shakalaka with Bitcoin's exceptionally low volatility and insanely bullish signal mean for price. You'll definitely want to stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including what a pairing of low volatility and insanely bullish signal mean for the price. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click notification bell. Come join us on Twitter at the Crypto Love. Push that like button. Now today, fear and greed 56 sideways for the past month in the low to mid 50s. The overall market down 1% today. Bitcoin at 31.29, Ethereum at 18.61, BNB at 2.33, XRP 46 cents, Cardano 28 cents, Dogecoin 6 cents, Solana $21, and Tron 7 cents. And if you wanted to ask AI questions about cryptocurrency, you can now do that by using Token Metrics chatbot. If you want to know what coin is a hidden gem today, it turns out they have a few suggestions: IDEX, iExec, RLC, and IOTEX. These coins have high TM investor grades indicating good long-term potential and have shown significant positive changes in the TM trader grade over the past 24 hours. Additionally, their fully diluted valuations are relatively low, suggesting they may be undervalued. If you want to check out AI to help pick out the best coins for yourself, there is a free trial using the link down in the description. Now, Bitcoin today sitting just above $30,000, that big even. We also have a golden cross of the 50 and 100-day moving average right here, occurring roughly around $28,000, the next support level if we were to break through $30,000. But before you start getting all bearish on Bitcoin price, there's a few charts you need to take a look at. First thing, Bitcoin has been trading range bound for the past 2+ weeks, almost 3 weeks at this point. Until it breaks below 30 or above 31.5, really no comment on price. But fundamentals, my friends, it turns out the Bitcoin amount of supply last active 2 to 3 years ago has just reached an all-time high. Now, previous times that we saw all-time highs, look at what happened with Bitcoin price not long afterwards. It was pretty much all up parabola territory not long afterwards. You might want to prepare yourself, especially when you pair that with what DXY, the US dollar index, is doing right now. It's just changed its Gaussian color from green to red. The last 2 times this happened was right before Bitcoin experienced a massive parabola, the bull run of 2016, 2017, and also the bull run of 2020 and 21. So keep an eye out for a massive bull run. And you know what else you need to remember? How about the BlackRock spot Bitcoin ETF? It turns out that Bitcoin held by institutional funds is rising significantly since BlackRock filed their spot ETF. Everybody is betting on this passing. It's just getting started. And remember, Willy Woo said that if all of the companies who applied for this spot Bitcoin ETF put just 5% of their assets into Bitcoin, that will cause the price to go up to $310,000 per coin. And that doesn't include people FOMOing in from the price going up. That's just if these institutions put 5% in. You also have to take a look at the GBTC discount to premium, the smallest amount since May of 2022, which might be an indicator of the market's barometer for the spot Bitcoin ETF approval. Spirits are very high. So where does that leave us? Like I started with, Bitcoin has been moving sideways, and a lot of people get really butthurt when Bitcoin moves sideways. They're like, it's not going up fast enough for me. I bought it. I need something that's going to go up 1,000,000x tomorrow. Okay? Well, that's what Token Metrics is for. But with Bitcoin, it turns out we do have low volatility right now. You can see it down here on the bottom, showing the Bollinger Band width down here on the bottom. Now, in a bear market, when we get low volatility, it's bearish, as can be seen by these red arrows here. But we're not in a bear market. The bear market ended back in December, January. We are in a bull market. When volatility gets low in a bull market, it's insanely bullish. How insanely bullish? 222% increase, 1,986% increase, 112% increase, 95% increase, 3,000% increase, 512% increase, 90% increase. How much this time? I don't know. we do have to wait and see. But entering a low volatility zone like we have done right now brings big moves. As a matter of fact, we have this little cup forming that eventually pushes price to break above resistance after it taps it a few times. Now we're tapping it again, and once we break through that territory, it's going to send Bitcoin price up insanely like it's done previously. As a matter of fact, the monthly MACD, I like longer time frames for getting a signal as what's going on for the whole market. If we take a look at the monthly MACD, the first time we had a single monthly candle, the first green monthly candle, previous bull run, it brought a 6x for Bitcoin. Should the same thing happen, that would be a $200,000 Bitcoin within a year. Holy cow. That's not even the 310 that Willy Woo was talking about, but that's a start. Now, if you pair all of this that we've been talking about with probably one of the most accurate, insane predictive signals for a Bitcoin bull run parabola, well, then you might go and stock up on some Bitcoin. So if we take a look, this trigger has signaled every single bull run parabola for Bitcoin, and it did not signal here when we had that mid-cycle top, only for large parabolas. What is this? Well, it's a double retest of the golden 1.09 Meyer multiple line, this golden line right here. We just have double tested it, parabola loading and incoming, and time is running out for getting Bitcoin at a discount. We are right at the very, very last moment before Bitcoin breaks above the 2-year MA multiplier. Once it crosses that, you're not getting Bitcoin at much of a discount anymore, and the bull market truly begins. We are right at the cusp of that right now. The top price right now, $163,000. But look at the difference in the top price from where it happens when Bitcoin breaks out of the green to where it actually hits the top. Usually it is quite significantly higher. So that would be a low bottom, $163,000 for Bitcoin, which based on my mental math right now is about a 5x for Bitcoin. Yikes. Do you really want to sit on the sidelines for this one? So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.